Hello guys, welcome to Python session 5. In this section we are going to see strings print format methods. There are a lot of ways to format strings. First let me show you with string plus variable. We go to Jupyter Notebook. First I'm creating string1 variable declaring hello. Executing this, and next is print calling first variable string1 plus world. It is printing hello world. It is concatenated variable plus string whatever we have given inside print statement. Let me give space here so that it will be in proper format. It is printed hello world. In print format we have two methods available. One is format and another one is fstrings. See, these are the examples. Here I can get the value using format function. Let me show you the first example in Jupyter Notebook. Print I like to learn Python, and here dot format mentioning here Python comma Java. Let me run the test now. I like to learn Python and Java. Here this curly brace taken the value from this format function at index position 0, and this is index position 1. By default, if you don't mention anything, it will automatically grab 0 1 format. In case the same thing I am mentioning, for example, let me rearrange this. Here I am mentioning index position 1. Here I am mentioning index position 0. In this case it will be reverse. Let me run this test. I like to learn Java and Python. When compared to the above and below, it is reverse because we have specifically mentioning which index position value has to come in this place. Just now we have seen that index position by default it will take which position. If you are mentioning position of any value which has to come explicitly, then we have to mention. The next one is f string. Instead of mentioning format, we will straight away mention the value inside curly brace using f string format. Let me show you in Jupyter Notebook. Print f string. Here I am mentioning I like Python and Java. Let me run this test. Okay, sorry. We are mentioning strings here, but it is not in quote. So we have to mention in proper format. So I am giving single quote. Let me run this test now. Now it is printing I like Python and Java. So this is how we can mention in fstring method. The advantage of fstring is like we are not using format method. In format we are mentioning the values here which we want to mention inside print where empty curly brace or some positioned curly brace is available. In fstring we straight away mention whatever value is required, or else we can mention like this as well. Print curly brace are you dot format. I'm calling the variable here str1 where we have a value of allow. Let me change the value str2 or str1 is equal to how. Let me run this. Now str1 value will be how. So let me use this str1. It will print how in this place. How are you? See, it is grabbed a variable from format method and it is printing inside here. In fstring method we can use variable inside this string 1 or you. So it is printing how are you. So both are same, but the method we are using for print, both are given the same output, but the method what we are used is different. Here we have used format method, but here we have used fstring method. And here if you noticed, I mentioned f in capital letter. It is not creating a problem, but best practice is to keep always in lowercase. Hope you guys are clear on print formatting in Python. If you guys find this session helpful, please subscribe, like and share it with your friends. If you have any comments, please feel free to post your comments in comment section. I will respond to your comments as early as possible. Thank you. Keep watching.